it's your girl Ro and and we're back with another video with you guys. So we with
Baby Liddy, it's your girl Cherie.
And Mama Marie.
And yes, we're back with another freaking video. So today, we're going to try some Japanese, I guess Korean, I don't know, pretty much Japanese snacks that we picked up in the store. So, yeah, we're going to be trying for you guys to see how we feel about it. We got the kids today. We got Amari. And we got Eliana. Say hey, Amari. So yes, we all about to get ready to try this and give y'all the feedback how we feel about it. What it tastes like, it will taste good. So we got the seaweed teriyaki, sesame seed seaweed as well. We're gonna try that for you guys. And we got this Hello Panda chocolate cream center crunchy shell. We're gonna try that as well. And we got the little strawberry Pockies. Y'all know how I feel about these Pockies right here. You know what I'm saying? Strawberry flavor. And these are some plum candies. Look like some plum hard candies, I believe. And what else we got over here? We got some Bolton rice candy. Kind of curious about that. I don't know what that is. And and we got some milk tea. We got the matcha flavor. We got some taro flavor. And what you got over here? Some Thai flavor. And
we got these right here.
okay, damn. Some cornet garlic flavor. She already busted it open, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and try these first.
Right, yeah.
So you guys, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to our channel as well. If you ain't already did, join our family. It's look. He a little creeped out because on the last video, you guys, if y'all ain't already watched, we did the
Don't tell him.
well, y'all going to go ahead and watch. Y'all gonna understand why he creeped out. But here you go. Girl, baby, see y'all trying to act Diddy, baby. Like, girl. Anyway, I guess we're gonna have to try these right now, y'all. This how it look. I'm about to get up and show y'all like some little cornic flavor for snacks. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, we happen to be back to record for you guys. I know we've been away like what, 2 weeks now. We haven't recorded. Missing in action. But it's okay, we're back, so you already tried? 1, 2, 3. You like it? They play like garlic, for real. Shut up. Well, yeah, it's good. That's how I give it.
I like these cricket.
I like cricket. She teasing my baby. Oh, what you giving them, Mari? He gave it a 6 out of 10. I give it like a 5 out of 10.
What is that, 7?
7. 4.
What?
4. Mama really like it.
Man, I gotta skip on my baby.
Oh, I'm sorry. What you giving, baby?
What is it? 1, 2, 3?
You give what?
5? Okay, she was
the next one.
Yeah.
You want the drinks? Okay, let's go ahead and try the drinks, y'all. What y'all want to try first? You want to try the orange?
Yeah.
Okay. We about to go in with the Thai flavor. Milk tea.
I like it. Ooh, what the fuck that shit look like? Oh, no, man. Man, I ain't even gonna lie to you, baby. Oh, baby, I just had this coming right.
But this how it look, y'all.
Oh, no, man.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try that.
Man, why that shit look like that?
I don't know what it smells
Oh,
like.
no, man.
Come on. It smells like milk, like a milkshake.
Go ahead.
Y'all had to try it.
You gonna be a shit motherfucker. Go ahead.
Try it. Yeah.
Yeah, ready?
Go she don't give a fuck what she is doing.
Good? It's good. So he definitely like it, I guess. Can I try?
It's sweet.
It's real sweet.
Nobody like it.
I won't buy it in the store, but
It's still good.
No. No, I don't want her drinking. I
No,
don't
she
want
don't
her
want-
shit.
she don't want that
That.
okay, so y'all, it was that. What y'all get at?
That shit get a 1. That shit was nasty.
What you get at, Maureen?
I can give it a 10 out of 10.
2 out of 10?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa, that's high. Okay, I'll give it like a 4. It's not that bad. It tastes real sweet, like cream.
Whoa!
Tastes like cream.
Yeah.
I don't like
And I still got that garlic taste in my mouth. So it kind of takes away the flavor. Okay, Alana, you want to try that?
I want to try it.
Okay, let your mommy open.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now y'all about to try the strawberry pocky.
Yeah. Open it.
Let Eddie open it.
Oh.
Okay, so we're about to try the strawberry pocky.
That's why I tried this.
Go ahead. You want to first?
I'm gonna try it.
So y'all, go ahead and try the strawberry pocky. I already know they are very delicious. Cause I love them. They're like one of my favorite Japanese snacks, which I already know. I've said it plenty of times on this channel. Okay, y'all, this how they look. Like I said, baby, go get y'all some.
Yeah. This one.
And I love the strawberry flavors.
But you greedy. Why am I stomach ball?
10 out of 10. What you give it?
I give it like a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
Yeah.
You give it a 4 out of 10, y'all.
Yeah.
3.
Give it a 3.
Ooh.
Lana, what you give it, baby?
Huh? 4 to 5.
1.
I
What you give it, Mama Marie?
Huh?
A 2. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Mario, you pick one.
Me?
Yeah, pick a snack you want to try. You already tried these already. You got to try one of these.
Why never you throw a stick on the floor? Oh, you know you tried something. You right there on camera.
Okay. I'm gonna try. What?
Any day.
Yes, like this.
Man,
But I wanna try
Let's
it.
try this. Let's try it.
no, I'm not drinking. I'm not drinking that shit.
We gotta try everything. Y'all let me try that good stuff.
Nah.
Ooh.
Don't put none in my cup, man. Don't pour that shit in my cup, dog.
You gotta try everything.
But yeah, let's try it.
No, I'm good, man.
Ooh, I ain't
You
gonna
drink it.
That's like sweet milk or something.
You want some?
Nah, man, I want that shit.
Oh, no.
I get that one a 0.
Nah, man, drink the shit. You want to drink it.
Oh, no.
But it really.
It tastes like milk and water. Like,
Yeah, like, I don't know.
I don't know what they do there.
That shit look like that shit had your ass on the toilet.
Yeah, I think my stomach bubbling already.
Yeah, put my shit already.
They look good on the outside, don't they?
Okay, go to pick
It's not
one.
as bad though.
You know, it's tasty.
Ellie, pick one.
What's this one? Yeah?
She wanna try the seaweed, y'all. The seaweed sesame. She try
Seaweed?
some seaweed.
Seaweed? Yeah.
Seaweed?
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh no.
Whoa. Let me show the camera how they look.
Ah.
Yeah.
What is
Me,
it?
oh
The seaweed.
The seaweed, yeah.
no.
Nah, I'm gonna give it one.
You want that? It's seaweed.
It's seaweed, yeah.
What is a seaweed?
A seaweed is like.
Oh, plant.
So this is seaweed, y'all. The sesame flavor, sesame seaweed.
This is
You far out of the sea.
This is like you just stick out your teeth.
Alright, y'all, let's try, y'all. I never tried seaweed in a day in my life.
Oh,
One,
yeah.
3.
I'm not gonna eat it. No, I'm gonna eat it.
This is like shrimp.
It's enough for me, dog.
That's a hell no.
What is it?
It tastes like, no, it's not that bad, but it's like you gotta keep chewing it. It tastes like vegetables.
That shit nasty. Look at
I
that.
can't even bite it.
You talking what? Yeah, it tastes like, So I guess y'all wanna open these
What's that? The same thing?
seaweed teriyaki flavor.
I don't know. That was never.
Alright, let's try the teriyaki one, y'all, the seaweed. This one, y'all, seaweed. That might be taste a little better or something.
Who's me, man?
It tastes like seafood. It tastes like a seafood, but it's not. It tastes like a spinach and seafood.
Oh, good. My shit's bubbling right now. Hey.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna chill out.
Yeah, you stomach water, man.
It's another seaweed.
Oh shit.
Ooh, that's the same color.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Eat that shit! No, I'm playing.
But it's the same thing.
Passing on down.
But it's the same thing. You gonna eat it?
That's the peas.
Hey, there's one thing about this channel. We gotta try everything and everything. You never know what you're gonna like or what you just gonna like. So.
This shit feel like something class.
Okay, this one, this tastes better.
You sure want some? Yeah. Ow!
I don't know, y'all.
Stop!
Mama, you ain't gonna bite it. Mama, she up here cheap because she ain't gonna bite it.
I don't like that flavor, Mama. Alright, let's hit y'all with some chocolate, y'all, because I gotta get the flavor in my mouth. Hey, before y'all come down the table. Let's go ahead and try this powder. I'm definitely get at a 0. What y'all give it?
Oh, man. Put it on the floor.
Y'all give it a 0?
Oh, Mama, she eat that shit.
Well, I know
That
that
stuff ain't but near 0.
shit.
Cause that's what we gotta be cooked.
It don't much as this.
Let's try some chocolate.
Oh, you gotta cook it.
Yeah, you gotta cook that.
Oh, shit.
That's the stuff that you roll sushi up with.
Oh, that's why I like it. I like sushi, y'all.
So we should have to eat some more of that shit that we...
Here you go.
Who's this?
You give mama. This sauce is chocolate cookie, I guess.
Come on, man, get off me, man.
Everybody got theirs?
Let me know all that.
No, man, he got his apple.
Water to separate y'all.
No.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Man, shit, now.
10 out of 10, we'll try again. 10 out of 10. They delicious. It's giving me Pocky.
That tastes better than the whole thing on the table, huh? Go for it.
Definitely giving me Pocky. With the strawberry.
You like it, Mara?
Yep.
You
He
like
didn't
it?
eat this whole thing.
Alana, do you like it?
Let's go ahead and try this.
Good.
These rice candy.
Rice cake.
I've been curious about this.
I ain't curious. They say rice, and they say got rice too. They probably be like some sweet rice.
You give me the one?
I'm gonna eat that.
What y'all get at?
Give me everything else.
What y'all get at Hello Panda?
I'm at a 5.
What you get at, bro?
I don't know, my stomach just all my stomach is tripping. Well, you gotta wait. You gotta wait till the
What the
next
hell
time.
is this?
What the fuck is this? Oh no. Oh yeah.
Did you take it and pass it back?
No.
Oh, we got that coke on there.
Coke.
Yeah.
What coke?
Okay.
I'm in love with that coco. They are
Wait,
here.
get your hands up. Where's the chocolate?
Oh, look y'all, look at this little sticker. Printed in Japan. Thank you guys. So this is how the candy look, y'all.
You don't see what coke
Hard
on it.
candies. Man, you don't see that cocoa there?
You don't see it?
Oh, it's so
I
white.
got it for
What is it? What
I'm
is
in
it?
love with that cocoa.
What is that powder that be on top of the egg?
Oh yeah, got me fucked up. Oh, my
Hey.
stomach hurt.
I done got bacon sore.
You all up Hey.
But I got this BB head for it. Get up. Tell that nigga
Bro, how
what's
to
up.
undo this? How to unwrap
You
it?
might have to chew it up.
Yeah, please. I'm not chewing that fucking thing.
Boy, you better stop pushing my damn back.
Hey! This is a YouTube video. This is not violence. Don't choose
Baby
violence
ass,
today.
Lawson.
Do not choose violence today.
Whoop his ass.
Don't do that.
Whoop his ass.
Don't grab yourself by his dick like this.
What is it? So get over here.
Hey, Ellie, get your She wants some.
Okay, stop pushing on her like that. Don't push on her like that. Hold up, my nigga. Hold up, my nigga.
Y'all be tripping, bro.
Yeah, you mean ghetto. You live in South Park. Fuck you tell me. I'm about to get on your way. You been acting like this for dinner this whole
Hey,
month.
how do you take the plastic off?
Stop!
Ellie, calm down.
That's
not
him.
that serious. She trying to take his candy.
Shit, she trying to have him over.
Man, you don't take
No,
the
she not.
plate
She
off.
trying to put it up. She put
Man, I'm not about to eat this shit, man. I can't
Yeah, I
even
can't.
open
We
this
can't
shit.
even
Don't
open
take
it,
the,
y'all.
it ain't no plastic.
No, I did taste it. It is plastic, girl.
Okay, you go ahead and eat it. That shit
I
is
don't know, y'all. We can't try it if the plastic stuck up. I don't know what the hell.
That shit fucking milk.
Alright, y'all. This is the plum king. I believe this is the last thing. I know they don't want to try the other drink. You can try it off camera.
Oh, there's plastic on it.
Exactly. Wait a minute, Maureen.
Man, I'm around with that shit, man.
Ooh, that garlic stuff, they should
Hold on, wait a
Man,
minute.
this shit hard. Ooh, oh.
What the fuck is this? This shit look
It's
like
called plum candy.
Yeah, this shit look like Lucas.
Yes, it's a
Oh.
bacon soda.
This in there. I'm about to tell like a whole lot of seasoning about.
Yeah, this is the plum candy, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute how it looks.
Man, you can't really smell that, but the garlic stuff that we ate, I don't like
Bro,
that.
what's that? Is Lucas on here?
Nah, I don't care about that.
Yeah, this the plum candy. How it looks. It got like some
Come on, you
powder.
It actually, I
Oh,
think
yeah.
it's like a plum seed in the middle.
plum seed.
Yes, a plum have a seed in the middle.
Omar, push that
Man,
glass
come
back. Push that glass back from the wall.
I'm in love with the cool.
If you open it for me.
Yeah, this one right here. This one I set out for you.
Okay.
In the room with the cool.
Look at here.
This is right here. Where
I'm
your glass
Lord.
Shit, I'll tell you.
You ain't tasting?
It just tastes like a whole bunch of like sugar. It kind of tastes like what's the little things that hey, calm down. It kind of tastes like them little things that y'all used to have in y'all purse when you used to go to church.
Oh, peppermint?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's a lot of sugar on here.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what to think of it. Like
It ain't
it's like
bad,
it's
but it's not.
a sweet hard candy with the Lucas. Well, I don't know, I know it's not Lucas, but it's like some.
I'm telling you, bro, that's a fucking seed. I'm telling you, that's a seed in the middle of
Yeah, it's hard. Like it.
yeah.
That's so weird though.
I miss the
They bring nasty.
Okay, y'all, that's pretty much it. We also had something else. But you actually gotta make Japan candy like sushi gummy, but that's going to something that we have to do off camera. I don't know if they willing to do it or not, but if we do decide to do it, I guess we can record afterward and try it. I don't know. We probably do, we probably don't do it. I really don't know, but that's pretty much it for the video. Oh, let me show you what we're talking about. Hold on, just a minute. Yeah, I'm showing you now.
Oh,
But this is it right here.
well, my stuff.
You pretty much gotta make it off camera. So it's not already made. You gotta make it yourself, pretty much. So we probably do it off camera, see all the instructions in the back and telling you how to make it. So I thought it was gonna come like this, but obviously no. I figured that out after I bought it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Them are the things we had bought. Overall, what y'all give it? Overall,
That shit was trash.
What, this?
the whole snacks, the whole entire pack.
That shit get like a 2. Cause my damn stomach bubble.
All the best thing I like doing. This is okay, and chocolate.
Oh, the Hello Pounder.
What is that?
So you give it overall what? World gave it 2 out of 10 overall. Overall, I give it like
That's about like a 2 and a half.
a 4. I give it a 4 because they had my favorite snack Takis and they had 2 Hello Pandas. So this was kind of really didn't save it.
Shut up, bro.
But everything else I really didn't like. But as y'all can see, the kids, did you like the pack? Did you like everything?
Yeah.
What you give it overall?
I give it to a 5.
A 5?
Ain't gonna do the whole shit.
And what you give it, baby?
Ain't gonna snuff my ponytail.
You give it a 4?
She said a 4.
She give it a 4 overall as well. So you guys watch the end of the video right now. Go ahead and subscribe and like our video. Go ahead and watch our last video and our other videos as well. Become part of our squad. Become part of our family, guys. Support us, you know what I'm saying? Black Lives Matter, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, you guys. Make sure you guys then subscribe to our channel. If you guys not subscribed to our channel, make sure you guys bell notifications is on there now. Make sure you guys go tell a friend, tell a left friend, tell a left friend. To come over here to another way of family. I love you guys. Peace.
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 Go ahead, close out, Mama Marie.
Well, thank y'all for tuning in. I want to go.
Bye.
A few moments
Okay, you guys,
later.
so I just got done making, well, supposedly made this, but that's how mine turned out to be. Yeah, I'm gonna try to give it a. I'm gonna try to. Well, I'm gonna try to taste it. Mama, you wanna taste it? So we about to try this, y'all. I tried my hardest to follow the instructions. This supposed to be the soy sauce. This supposed to be tuna. The what you call it? The sushi. The seaweed, whatever they call it. And it's supposed to be like the salmon drops that I made. Yeah, so we're about to try it out, and we'll be right back, and we'll see, you know, how it tastes. Oh, you still got the same bite in your mouth. Just put it whole in your mouth. What you give it? She didn't even start all the way out. Okay, so what you give it? A 4? Okay, you guys, I'm about to try it. Since Mama Marie, she acting like a douchebag.
Oh, you didn't have to spoon. You didn't have to have
The flavor, this is not bad. It's just like the mushy of the rice part. I don't like it's not rice, it's candy. So it's like the mushiness of it. And the rice part, or the candy, the rice, whatever. I don't like the mushiness of it. But it's not bad overall. Like it don't have a bad taste to it. Amari, do you like it? Let me get you a
Great. Finally got it, huh?
So let's try it. Come on, Amari. Ooh, let me tell you this stuff. What you give it? What you give it, Amari? What you give it?
I give it 6 out of 10. Yummy.
He gave it a 6 out of 10. It tastes like a mango flavor of strawberry. But it's good. It's just like the rice, the mushiness, like the wetness of it. But overall, it's not bad. But I think I'd give it like a 4. But it was fun making it. It was fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like the video. And thank y'all for watching. Bye.